I'm Ian Kistruck, and I'm a design team leader at Triumph Motorcycles. One of the nice things about Triumph is that we have a really rich heritage. The company started up originally in 1902, and back in the 60s we had a really kind of iconic range of bikes, the Bonneville particularly. And although we carry that product through now to our more modern day products, we're able to kind of capitalise on the fact that we have that heritage, but we update those bikes to be more modern and more exciting. One of the things we do and we have to do is to meet the regulations for countries around the world, so that forces us to kind of make the bikes more modern and more usable, more fuel efficient, but without losing the retro feel and the heritage feel that the customers love. So that passion for style into our products is what kind of makes us stand out compared to some of our competitors, where they're not commodities, they're not utilitarian, they're products that people can look at and be proud of. The first project I started on was one of the major updates to the Speed Triple, and it really kind of gave me my opportunity to get my teeth into working at Triumph on a really exciting project. I was thrown in a little bit at the deep end after graduation, designing some really kind of cool components like the fuel tank and some exciting engineering components like the rear frame. And once that bike was released, it was straight on to the next one. So before we'd even released it, we'd started the concept work on the next variation of that bike, and that was an even more major update. New frame, new bodywork, new engine, a whole complete overhaul, and that became a bit of a flagship bike for Triumph. One of the nice things about one of our Bonnevilles is that we have fuel injection on those bikes, but the styling of the engine makes it look like it's still got a carburetor on there, so that kind of appeals to the retro feel customer as well.